starting.
Oh, time to take off in 3, 2, 1. Oh, this thing is on slow mo. This has way more space than I could go. Oh. In the house is this. No.
Where you going?
I need space. The wind is pushing me.
Let me see you do some funnels. Spin around like you were doing before.
Oh.
That's called a funnel.
Oh.
Bring it back over here. Keep it over here. Bring it over here.
The wind is pushing. And y'all know.
What are you doing?
It's always right. We need to do our floor for our house. My sister is got in my big brother is got Snaptain, and my big sister is got Kapia. She said my.
You're weaving all around. I could barely keep up, son.
Oh.
I'm happy you know how to control it now. You know how to turn and all.
I know how to turn.
Uh-oh, there's a car. Bring it over here.
I know how to turn it because this has more.
You push this in, and then you can do a flip. Go ahead.
Let's do it nothing.
You have to pick which way you want it to flip.
Okay.
See? Flip. Now you're going to be doing that all the time, aren't you? Go ahead, fly.
Okay. Let's do a fade.
Okay, you're going up high and stuff now. You're scaring me. Don't fly it over there. Because it might fly away.
Yeah. And it rolls.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Sheesh, it's hard to keep up with you. You're making it too hard to keep up. You have to fly down low and don't fly so crazy and fast.
Yeah.
I should have kept it on my hat. Maybe I can follow you.
Okay.
Just stay in one spot because I got to watch you and I got to watch this. Just stay put so I know where you're at. Do a flip. Do another flip. I missed it. Okay, now do some funnels.
Okay. It's moving because there's wind.
Yeah, the wind's blowing your funnels.
Yeah.
You're doing pretty good though. You're flying it around, you're controlling it, you're not flying into the trees. You're not crashing into the walls. You're doing flips. You're doing funnels. And this is a night flight. Oh! That's the emergency stop. You can't do that all the way up that high, son.
Emergency stop.
Yeah, emergency stop.
When something's ready coming near you and you have to fall down.
Yeah, that's what you do for emergency.
Yeah.
Fly it up high. Yeah, I can't follow you when you're down low like that.
Oh. Okay. You guys know why?
Let me see.
it's
Let me
big?
give it to me in my hand.
Because
Take off from my hand.
we accidentally went it all the way
Come on, let's go.
My
Take.
dad had to do something, so that's why it's right like this. Whoa.
Whoa. When quads attack.
Huh.
Okay, bring it back. Sheesh. I didn't realize how hard it is to track this thing holding it in your hand.
Well,
So you
I'm
land it.
missing a little bit.